To keep your refrigerator water clean and fresh, it's important to change the filter every 6 months. You'll know it's time to replace the filter when the water filter indicator turns red. The water filter is located between the two crisper drawers. Remove the old filter by turning it counterclockwise to unlock it, and then pull it straight out, keeping it horizontal to minimize any leaking water. If you're having trouble removing the filter, you may need to relieve some water pressure. Turn off the water supply and dispense some water. Then, try again. To replace the water filter, first remove the cap from the new filter and ensure the rings on top are correctly in place. Insert the new filter and turn it clockwise until it locks into place. You'll know it's locked in place when the lock symbol lines up with the arrow. Once you're done, be sure to reset the filter in the Fridge Manager app. If you turned off the water supply, don't forget to turn it back on. Then, dispense some water to remove any impurities, air from the water line, and to prevent dripping. If air is left in the water line, it can cause your dispenser to drip. The water stream should be solid and not sputtering.